Okay. Aduh.
Yorana, my name is Kanani Lokilani Filiate Angel Kahanui Aswenga, and I'm here representing Lokilani's Rhythm of the Islands in California under the direction of Kathy and Roy Aswenga. I love the Wharereira'a. This is my 4th time coming here. I actually did not come here with a group. I came here to participate in the Heiva with Nona Here and Matani Kainuku, and I decided to come and do Hura Ai Ai just because I'm here and I love to dance, and I love it. It's an exchange of culture, and that's all I dream about. First place, and now we're going for overall, and fingers crossed. I just love to dance, and it's fun to be around everybody. It's nice that I have friends here from America that I haven't seen in a while, and we're all together across the world, and that's just my favorite part. I love Coco. He's the cutest man to start off with, and he's so educated, and he's blessed all of us groups from California to be able to come out here and have the experience, and we can't thank you enough, Coco, for everything that you've done for us for all these years.